In today's video, I will walk you through how to create categories in QuickBooks Online. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once you're logged in, go to the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online screen and click the gear icon. This opens the main settings menu. From there, select Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is where you can review your existing categories and add anything that's missing. You'll see accounts for items such as bank accounts, income types, and common expenses. To create a new account category, click New Account in the top right. A form will appear where you can enter the required details. Start by entering an account name that is clear and consistent. For example, you can use names such as office supplies, software subscriptions, or consulting income. Next, select an account type. This determines where the account appears on your financial statements. Income and expenses appear on the profit and loss, while assets and liabilities appear on the balance sheet. After selecting the account type, choose a detail type. This provides a more specific label within the account type and helps QuickBooks place the account correctly. If needed, you can also add a description. Use this field to enter information about how the account should be used. Once you've entered the account name, account type, detail type, and any optional description, review the information you've entered. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your new account is now created. You can use this category when recording transactions. When you add an expense, recognize income, or review downloaded activity, select this account to categorize the transaction accurately. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.